Do your kids always want to drive their own car? Now they can in this super realistic Chevy Silverado. This is a 12-volt kids ride-on toy. Really easy to put together and very, very easy to handle. It can be kid-powered via the gas pedal and the forward and reverse buttons. There's even a high power mode and low power mode. There's a radio that really works where you can tune into radio stations or connect via Bluetooth or through the auxiliary or the USB ports. Now, if your kiddo's too young to drive, then that's no problem. It comes with a controller. Check out this full unboxing video with full detailed instructions on how to build. Before you start building, you have to install the batteries in the steering wheel and in the controller. The steering wheel takes 2 AA batteries and the controller takes 2 AAA batteries. Once installed, the steering wheel has this really adorable horn. After you install the batteries in the steering wheel and in the controller, refer to the instructions. There's a QR code that you can scan, and it has all of the instructions that are updated. So let's refer to that because it looks way easier than going through the actual manual. Put these screws somewhere safe. Right over here underneath the seat is the battery connection. So you're going to open the charging hole, cover, and power on. So just going to connect these together in order to power it up. Now we're going to make sure this power's on. So cute. So we have a USB port, an auxiliary port, realistic sounds. This is so adorable. We'll get to this in a second. This is so cute though. So it definitely works. Just gotta hold it down and shut it off. And then just screw the battery cover back on so you can protect those wires. Now I have the truck on its back, and I would suggest that you do not install the steering wheel until you have the actual tires installed. This is really, really simple, and we're pretty much almost done. This is so cute. I love it. Now that the pickup is now upright, we're going to install the seats. That's the bottom portion and then the backing of the seat. Make sure you push down until this area is flush because you're going to screw in some screws to reinforce the seat. So I am able to use the screwdriver to screw in the rest of the seat. Let me show you how. This is so cute. The door opens. See that? It's like a real car. This is so cute. This also comes with your own safety buckles. So adorable. Now it's time to install the steering wheel. First you unscrew this screw. Now it's time to install the windows, and you're going to use these little screws to reinforce the windows into the actual door. So realistic and just so cute. The cutest toy. Now the windshield just snaps right into place. Install those side view mirrors. These are just darling, and this process of building has been so simple. It also comes with an auxiliary wire that you can connect to the auxiliary input, and you can connect like music or whatever you want, a phone. In order to charge your battery, you just remove this cover right here, and over here we have these wires that we connected. Remember at the beginning of the video, you have to unhook port number 2 from port number 1 in order to access the charging cable. And you just charge it up in 12 hours. Right now it doesn't need to be charged, so I'm not going to charge it, but it's really that simple. All of the charging cables controls are underneath the seat. You do not have to take apart the seat in order to access it. To charge the vehicle, you can see how much power you have at this accessory panel right here. So just start it up, and it's going to tell you how much battery you have left. It's all built. This is so cute. The details are amazing. You could even put like a little license plate in there if you wanted to. It is so cute. I cannot wait to start this up. And let's just see how it works with the controller. This is just so adorable. Seriously, there's the bed for like the pickup. We have this amazing seat with these adorable leather detail. Look at it's like faux stitching right here to make it look like it's leather. This is so cute. I love how you can open up this door too. That is so cool. So cute. You have your gas pedal right here. This is the accessory panel that can be accessed right here. Your child can control it or a parent can control it. This is forward. This is reverse. There's a high speed and a lower speed. The lower speed is for newer drivers and the high speed is for more seasoned drivers. Then we have a radio tuner. You can tune radio stations through FM inputs, or you can use a USB port input or MP3, and it also comes with auxiliary wire. This is your light button. You can turn it on and turn it off. These are your volume controls for your radio. Little horn on the steering wheel. Then we have like this faux instrument panel over here. A little windshield with windshield wipers that don't work, but they are just so cute. So cute. So let's start it up and let's use it with the controller. This is the controller. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Wow, it's so smooth. Very responsive. Really great gift idea. We just got to see how quick it moves with my son in it. This is adorable. It's like a giant RC car. Oh wow, we can listen to music. Oh! Now make sure you turn your steering wheel because you're going to keep hitting the fence.
I just put some gas in your car.
Oh, what do you think of this Chevy pickup truck? Thumbs up, right?
I just put 2 loads of gases in this car.
Did you? And you know what? You can put stuff in the cab, in the trunk.
Oh, yeah. Skittles!
Yeah, we could put Skittles in here. Why don't we take Skittles for a ride? And you can control Skittles in here with the controller. I'm gonna back you up.
I'm getting my car repaired.